you heard it right. iPhone XS X and iPhone XS X Max have problems. So this is me Rhythm Star, your host, your tech friend, and you're watching multitalented YouTuber. And today we are gonna dig deep into this problem. And come on, guys, now let's explore. So lately, I have been reading some articles, some comments in the Apple uh, comment section, this and that, saying that the iPhone XS and XS Max have problems charging. So when you plug it in, the phone should be able to recognize the cable, the port, like the what cable is going in, and it should be charging itself. But that's not happening. What people have to do is tap on the screen to let the phone charge. So that's something very weird that has been happening, because lately what we did was just plug it in and the phone would start charging, and that's type 1, it won't charge. Second would be that it won't charge at all, even if you plug it in, even if you do anything, it won't charge. And the worst case scenario, after plugging in, your phone will go down, total blackout. It will stay in that condition for a while and you will miss a lot of things. And why is that important? Because yes, we pay more than $1,000 for these Apple phones, and all of a sudden you are not charging. So that's a big problem, because without charging, how are you gonna use the phone? And people are complaining that even if it starts charging, it won't stay charging for long enough. It would be like for a few minutes, or like for some time it would seem like it's charging, but no, it's not. So there is something Apple needs to talk about. Till now Apple has said nothing about that problem, and people are like commenting on their blogs, this and that, and I have been reading it, and I was like, it can be some kind of story, some kind of like mishap or something. Someone has tried to like decrease the market value of Apple, but no. After I saw Unbox Therapy doing the video of the same topic, I felt like yes, I should do this one, because we are paying thousands of dollars for these phones, just for a smartphone in your hand, so that you don't get into problems, you like have a good time on your phone. And what is the case? We are not having that good time on our phones because it's not recognizing that cable. And I don't have an iPhone XS Max, or like seeing the phone which are having problem to show you, but you can like see some like screen shots going on and off. So yes, that has been happening a lot. And almost on every model of iPhone XS and XS Max, it is it has been seen, and people are like getting into problems. Only there are few pieces out there which can like recognize it, and only for sometimes, and sometimes they would also misbehave. So I hope it's a software problem, because like you don't want to go through the long process of changing your hardware, and then yes, you know the stuff. And I hope that Apple responds soon, because it is a good company. I like Apple products because they have some quality to it. But after paying more than $1,000, you want the best. You want no problems, at least not these kind of problems. And another problem these phones are having is with their selfies. Many of them have, like, people have complained that the selfie camera is making them look beautiful, in a sense that they just like hide all the details, and like it's like applying a lot of makeup on your face. And yes, it's some like a beauty mode going on there. And even Android phones have them, but they have the option to turn off the beauty mode and take the pictures in the real quality, but Apple has not provided that in the phone, and the photos come in like somebody has applied a lot of makeup, and yes, it's not acceptable, because you should like there are different kinds of users. Someone would like to have that kind of phone which gives them a beautiful face, but someone wants to have their original face being captured. So yes, like 10XS Max, 10XS, these phones like were like dream of many people, and after buying them they are getting into problems after paying $1,000 plus. That's some amount of money, good amount of money, and that might cost someone their life savings, something. So Apple needs to do something, and people who are on these platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, they should like promote this problem. By promote, I don't mean to like do something very 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 suspicious. I just mean to say that share this problem, like get people who have this problem, and like make Apple responsible. We are the people who create companies like Apple, and we can destroy them. We should make them accountable. This should be accountable towards us, not towards profit. Yes, profit, yes, companies need profit. I also know that everybody needs profit to live, but yes, after you give the quality to your users, to your customers. And I would like to request all those who are on this platform, on any social platform or big platform, make these companies responsible, share such kind of problems, and yes, help out people, because they cannot reach out, but people like us who have this platform with them can help them out. So only request to all out there, help promote such problems. Search, don't go towards any like profit only, don't go towards money only. You answer to your viewers, to your subscribers. I answer to my subscribers, my viewers, nobody else, no company in this world. The only people I answer are my viewers, are my subscribers, and you should also know that. And this problem has been seen on almost all the models. So if you are having this problem, and if you own a iPhone 10XS or 10XS Max, then that's not your handling problem. You didn't mishandle the phone, it's the problem that's built in. Apple just built in a problem. They won't do that, but yes, there might be a faulty design, fault on the software. I hope it's software, because after update you will find nothing. After update everything would be fine, but if it is hardware, you know how hard it is. So thank you for watching. Have a good day, have a good life, have good everything. And this is me, Rhythm Sa, signing off. And if you are watching till now, subscribe, like the video, and share it, because we need to use this platform. Bye bye.